Hi everyone. Today I am sharing the best online tools to view CAD drawings. If you do not have AutoCAD installed in your PC or laptop, but still you can see your AutoCAD 2D as well as 3D drawing online on the sites. So I will share with you these three sites in which you can use your drawing file to see online. So you do not need to install any software in your PC, but still you can use to see the AutoCAD drawing. And good thing is that till now these applications are totally free for the users. First one is a AutoCAD web app, and this site is by Autodesk, and which is very reliable and good site. Second one is a ShareCAD, and third one is a EasyCAD viewer. Let's open the first site and I will show you how you can see your drawing online. You have to create a copy a link here. I will give you the link of these sites in the description below. So when you open this site, it look like this, and first it will ask to sign up for free. You have to click here for sign up and you have to create your account here. After creating the account, the setup will be look like this here, and click this one and you can see here this site is supported 2D and 3D file formats, and these are the formats which is supported by these sites to see your drawing. Simply you have to drag a file from your system to here and click on done adding file. It will take few seconds to open, and it's totally depend on your computer speed and internet. Now the file is loading and you can see the file is the file can be see online in the Autodesk viewer. Here you can make it fit here, and you can zoom pan and up and down. You can do the zoom, and you can see here the quality is very good of Autodesk viewer as compared to other sites. And you can do markup here also. Click on first you can measure. You can measure here if you want to measure something. It is showing same as AutoCAD here. Click on measure and you will this endpoint and this endpoint. It's showing dimensions. So you can check the dimension of your AutoCAD drawing here online. And after that you can do the markup here. When you click on markup, you want to put any wrap cloud in any dimension. So click and you can do the wrap cloud also. You can put new text here. So this is very useful site to see your AutoCAD file online on the web. You can make a save here of your changes. You can print your drawing here. You can make a screenshot and you can share your file here from the Autodesk viewer. Let's see next one. And next one is a shared CAD. When you open this side, it will look like this. But good thing for that side is that you don't have to do any registration here. And the file is exporting up to 50 MB, and the CAD format is supported by AutoCAD, Drawing, DXF, DWF, HPGL, and PTL. Simply click here, select file here, select your file, and you can see your drawing here. Same way you can here you zoom up and down here, and you can rotate here your 3D drawing, and here you can change the view. If top view here, if you want to use 3D drawing, you can make it shaded here, and you make a southwest. You can see. Now we will open a 3D drawing here. You can see here 3D drawing is uploaded here. You can change the view here, southwest here, and you can make it shaded. And this is not a 3D drawing. And you can see here, this is a 3D drawing here. You can click on 3D smooth shading here. It's shading like AutoCAD. Whatever the color given in AutoCAD, it will show here. You can change any view here, same as AutoCAD, and you can make it rotate here. This you can see here your 2D as well as 3D drawing online. So let's see third one here. This is drawing fast view, and here also you have to sign up. You can sign up easily with the help of Google, Facebook, or LinkedIn here. And after sign up, you have to open a file here, and you have to click on your drawing. It will take few seconds to upload in the system. You can see here the drawing is uploaded in the online CAD viewers. Here also you can do the zoom. Let's say you want to zoom any portion. You can zoom only that portion. It's the same as AutoCAD in the drawing fast viewers. You can measure here also. You can see here simply clicking end of the line and you can measure. You can see the endpoints, and here in annotation you can uh, create a leader here also, or arrow or any sketch. Let's say I want to get leader here. I select this one and I will give here any comment which you want to write here. You can see here dimension. You can make a PDF copy. You can export to PDF, save as, and you can print your drawing here in the drawing fast view also. Hope these three sites will help you to see your drawings. If you have any comment related to this one, please comment in the comment box.